So in this video we'll solving the examples on curl, divergence and gradient. So already we discussed on the definition of curl, gradient and divergence. So now we'll solving examples on same here. So first one, find the divergence of vector f and curl of vector f, where vector f is equal to del into x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xy z here. So we know that the formula for divergence of f is del phi and curl of f is del cross f here. So first one, divergence of f. So before this one you will write the phi function as x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xy z here, and vector f equal to del of these term means differentiate x cube y cube z cube minus 3xyz with respect to x, with respect to y and with respect to z partially. So del phi with respect to x is 3x square and differentiation of minus 3xyz is minus 3yz into I, plus differentiation of again phi function with respect to y, 3y square minus 3xz into j plus phi with respect to z, 3z square minus 3xy into k. So which gives the vector f here. So with the help of vector f, first one calculate del into phi, which gives the vector f. Now use vector f to calculate divergence of vector f here. So divergence of f is del dot f. So take the dot product for del and vector f. So del is dou by dou xi plus dou by dou y into j, dou by dou z into k dot vector f, means we using the above result. So here also if we use dot product means I dot I is 1, j dot j is 1 and k dot k is 1. So differentiate first term with respect to x here, that is dou by dou x of 3x square minus 3yz plus dou by dou y of j term 3y square minus 3xz plus dou by dou z of last term 3z square minus 3xy. So after differentiating with respect to x, 6x it becomes 0, minus 3yz is 0 because it is not containing any x term. With respect to y, so differentiation is 6y minus 0, and with respect to z, 6z minus 0. So 6x plus 6y plus 6z is equal to 6 into bracket x plus y plus z. So which gives the divergence of vector f here. Now curl of f. So curl of f means we know that the definition of curl, del cross f gives the curl of f here. So its formula is I determinant of I, j, k, and del means dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z, and vector f. So use the I, j and k term, 3x square minus 3yz, 3y square minus 3xz and 3z square minus 3xy. Then we expanding the determinant, such as when you use I, so differentiate dou by dou y of 3z square minus 3xy. So with respect to y, it become minus 3x, 3z square become 0 because we will differentiating partially. Then dou by dou z of 3y square minus 3xz. So with respect to z, 3y square is 0. Differentiation of minus 3xz with respect to z is minus 3x, and while multiplying in this direction, that is dou by dou z of 3y square minus 3xz, so sign is always minus here. So minus of minus it become plus here. So minus 3x plus 3x here. And one more point, we will remember it. The sign of I is always positive, j is negative, k is positive. So plus minus plus, I is plus, j is minus, k is plus here. So using the sign of j as minus j, then differentiate dou by dou x of 3z square minus 3xz. So it become minus 3y because with respect to x here, and dou by dou z of 3x square minus 3yz, it become plus 3y. So differentiation of z with respect to z is 1 minus 3y, and again sign is minus in this direction, so minus into minus plus here. And last one is k. So dou by dou x of 3y square minus 3xz is minus 3z, and dou by dou y of 3x square minus 3yz is plus 3z here, because sign is minus in this direction. So minus 3x plus 3x 0, minus 3y plus 3y is 0, minus 3z plus 3z equal to 0. So curl f is equal to 0. Then second example, if pi is equal to x square plus y square plus z square, and factor f equal to x square I, y square j, z square k, then find grade phi, divergence of factor f and curl of f here. So with the help of given pi and f, we will calculating grade phi, divergence of f and curl f here. So solution, first one is grade phi here. So grade phi means it is denoted as del pi, and del phi means dou phi by dou xi plus dou phi by dou yj plus dou phi by dou z into k. So differentiate phi with respect to x, y, z partially. So with respect to x, 2x, with respect to y, 2y, with respect to z is 2z here. So 2 is common, x plus y plus z, that gives the grade phi. Then divergence of f means del dot f, and del is dou by dou xi, dou by dou yj, dou by dou zk dot factor f, x square y square j, z square k. Now apply the dot product, I dot I, j dot j, k dot k is 1. So dou by dou x of x square is 2x, dou by dou y of y square is 2y, and dou by dou z of z square is 2z. And again 2 as common, x plus y plus z, which gives the divergence of factor f. Last one is curl of factor f here. So curl of f is del cross f. So you know that the determinant of I, j, k, second row is del here. Del means dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. Then use the last row as factor f. So factor f as x square, y square and z square. On expanding the determinant, I into bracket dou by dou y of z square is 0, because differentiation of z square with respect to y is 0 partially, and dou by dou z of y square is also 0. Now the sign of j become minus, so dou by dou x of z square is 0, dou by dou z of x square is also 0. Then last one is k, dou by dou x of y square is 0, dou by dou y of x square is also 0. So finally del cross f is become 0. One more example, if factor f is equal to x plus y plus 1 into I plus j minus of x plus y into k, then show that factor f dot curl of factor f is equal to 0. So first one we will calculating curl of f. Later we finding vector f dot curl of f here. So curl f is del cross f. So you know that how to calculate del cross f here. So use determinant of ijk, dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z, and use vector f as x plus y plus 1, coefficient of j is 1, and minus x minus y, that is k. When you use I, dou by dou y of minus x minus y is minus 1, dou by dou z of 1 is 0, sin of j is minus, dou by dou x of minus x minus y is minus 1, dou by dou z of x plus y plus 1 is 0 because it is not containing any z term. And last one is plus k, dou by dou x of 1 is 0, dou by dou y of 1 is 1. So which use minus I minus into minus plus j minus k, which use the curl of f here. Now find out vector f dot curl of f here. So apply the dot product, this become vector f and dot curl of f minus I, j and k. So after applying dot product, so x plus y plus 1 with minus 1 is minus x minus y minus 1 plus j that is 1 minus of x plus y of minus k is minus into minus plus here x plus y. So minus x plus x minus y plus y minus 1 plus 1 cancelled out. So finally we will get it the result of vector f dot curl of vector f is 0. Next example, vector f equal to del into x y cube z square. Find divergence of f and curl f at the point 1 minus 1 and 1 here. So first one, write this x y cube z square as pi. Then we are calculating vector f. Vector f means del phi. So del phi is dou phi by dou xi, dou phi by dou yj, dou phi by dou zk. So differentiate phi with respect to x, y, z partially. We will obtain y cube z square I plus 3x y square z square j plus 2x y cube z into k. With the help of vector f, now we will calculating divergence of f, that is del dot f here. So del is dou by dou xi, dou by dou yj, dou by dou z into k dot vector f y cube z cube by 3x y square z square j 2x y cube z into k. So I dot I, j dot j, k dot k is 1. So y cube z square with respect to x is 0. Then dou by dou y of 3x y square z square is 6xy z square, and dou by dou z of 2x y cube z is 2x y cube. Now we using the given point 1 minus 1 1, x equal to 1, y is minus 1, z is 1. So which use the minus 6 minus 2, that become minus 8. So divergence of vector f is equal to minus 8. Next one is curl of vector f. So use the determinant of I, j, k, dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. Then use vector f here. So y cube z square, 3x y square z square, 2x y cube z. So on expanding this determinant, so I with, when we use I, dou by dou y of 2x y cube z is 6x y square z, and minus of dou by dou z of 3x y square z is minus 6x y square z. So sin of j is minus, dou by dou x of 2x y cube z is 2y cube z minus dou by dou z of y cube z square is 2y cube z, and last one is plus k dou by dou x of 3x y square z square is 3y square z square, and dou by dou y of y cube z square is minus 3y square z square. So after simplifying and substituting x equal to 1, y equal to minus 1, z equal to 1, it becomes 0. So these are the few examples on calculation of grade phi, divergence of f and curl of f here. So once if you remember it, the definition for grade, divergence and curl, will easily calculate the required result. So in the next video we will solving the examples on solenoidal and irrotational. Thank you.